Your old tapes are history. I know you don't watch them, but don't let them turn into dust. The wedding where dad really showed some emotion. Baby's first awkward steps. A voice that you never want to forget. If it's on tape, odds are it's past its best before date. Well past. And it's probably fading away like Marty McFly's hand in Back to the Future.
Great Scott!
But I am finding that a lot of tapes, if you play them on the right equipment, that stuff can be saved. I do my magic, capture, convert, clean it up to make it look better than ever, that's optional, and put it on one of these. You get digital files that can be copied and edited and sent around the world. Put them on Facebook, put on YouTube, send in email attachments at Christmas time and become the family hero who saved memories forever. I'm not Costco, I'm not Walmart. This is a boutique service for people in the London, Ontario area who care about their family stories. So go get your tapes. Maybe they're in a closet, perhaps in a box in the basement. I hope they're not in a hot attic. Let's rescue the past as a present to the future. Get in touch with me at Signals Multimedia. You can find me on Facebook. You can find me on the web at signals.com. You can follow me on socials as The Media Hoarder. For now, let's start with your tapes. They are, after all, history. Your history.